How do we feel about another night ride? Oh, no. Don't say anything. Say hi, Taylor.
I'm very excited. Syncing up the helmets now.
Okay, you don't have to talk like that. Okay. Just warming her up. Yeah, no, I can't go this way. No, I can't go up that way. I'm almost stuck and I'm not even up to this top.
What is this thing anyway? How much do you pay for this?
Don't worry about it.
Alright, let's go this way then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, just till we're into the bush.
To keep it between the lines and then give more gas, but
Oh fuck no, it's good.
Yeah, it's true. Are we big over here? Like, what's going on?
Are we what?
Am I big? Like, you're
No, we're good. No, we're just, these tires are so bad. We are slipping.
I don't love to hear
I
that.
couldn't tell.
What?
It seemed like you were keeping it pretty straight. I don't know.
After you?
Let's give you
He went up that way. Yeah, that's what I don't want to do. A Gim just did. Oh, easy.
Why are they stopping?
Yeah, easy. I'm just gonna hug the left. This is the sketchy part. Oh shit! That's what I didn't want to do. Okay. We're good. Okay. I'm just putting it in high.
Oh, hell yeah. We weren't in high gear already.
Oh my god. Don't mind that, everybody. I was looking at the fucking map.
One time me and Sharon were driving and her brakes came out and it just came up to a T exactly like this. And she was around the corner going that way and we just went right into the woods. It's awkward. It's like you pull it and then do the handle.
Oh, here he comes.
Really not that cold.
What?
Really not that cold.
Well, no, the windshield really helps.
Definitely manageable.
Kim, we good? Oh, she's full. Hey, hello.
Oh my god. You wait till now? You've had all day.
I know.
Hey, bartender. I'm sorry.
Jeez, get some smoke.
Yeah, I can see you just coated them in snow.
That was my fault.
Everyone will come on then.
Sorry, Gim.
It's winter.
What?
It's winter. That's a snowstorm.
Oh my God. Oh no. That'd be hilarious.
Alright, Jim, come out. I think we'll be good. He said there's a switch. I know.
Alpine shirt.
Far away, the beach, far away.